In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows and set up Claude Code via advanced installation. We'll start by getting Node.js. Head to the official Node.js website, click Download, and choose the Windows installer. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the prompts. Using the default options is fine for most users. This installer sets up both Node.js and NPM, which you'll need in a moment. Next, go to the Claude website and navigate to the Claude Code section. Open the advanced installation page, then scroll down until you see the standard installation instructions. There you'll find a command you can copy. Go ahead and copy that command to your clipboard. We'll paste it into the terminal shortly. Now open Windows Search and look for command prompt. Launch it, then type node.v and press enter. You should see a version number appear, which confirms Node.js is installed and recognized by your system. If you see a version, you're good to continue. In that same command prompt window, paste the command you copied from the Claude Code standard installation section, then press enter. Let the process run until it completes. It may take a minute depending on your connection and system. After that, open File Explorer, create a new folder by right-clicking in your preferred location, choosing New Folder, and giving it a clear name so you can find it later. Open that folder. In the address bar at the top of File Explorer, click once to highlight it, type CMD and press enter. This opens a command prompt already set to that folder, which makes it easy to keep your work organized. In the new command prompt window, type Claude and press enter. On first launch, you may see a prompt asking to continue setup. Choose yes and continue. Then type /login and press enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the login process and connect your account. To proceed beyond this point and use Claude Code as intended, you'll need to buy a subscription on the Claude website. Make sure your subscription is active, then you can return to the terminal and continue working. That's it. You downloaded Node.js, verified it with